Hello everyone, this is Umar Hassan and today I will solve exercise 4A from D1 7th edition. Chapter number 1 to 3 have already been solved. You can have that in my playlist. And chapter number 4 is about algebra and algebraic expressions. So let us start from exercise 4A, and the question is question number 1. That is, you have to, that's question number 1. Question 1 of D1 exercise 4A, write down, you have to write down an algebraic expression. You have to write down an algebraic expression for each of the following. For each of the following statements. Well, this is very important as far as understanding of algebra is concerned, because if you are able to write down algebraic expressions, then you can form or solve problems related to algebra. So part A is add 5y to the product of A and B. Now first of all, you have to understand how you have to form your algebraic expression. Statement is add 5y. This is to be performed later because we need to take product of A and B first of all, and then we will add 5y to the product of A and B. So the product of A and B mean multiply A and B, that is A into B. Now this is product of A and B, and now you can add 5y to this. Now this is the required algebraic expression for this statement. Part number B, subtract 3 from the cube of f. Okay, now in this case we have to subtract 3 from what? Now subtraction will be performed later on. First of all, we need to find this thing, cube of f, that is f cube, and now we are going to subtract 3 from cube of f. This is your required algebraic expression for this statement. Part C says multiply k by 6q. So we need to simply multiply k by 6q, that is k times 6q, and that is your answer. You can write it 6k cube. That was simple. The next one is divide 2w by 3xy. Divide 2w by 3xy. So here we have to divide 2w by 3xy. So 2w will be in the numerator because it has to be divided by what? 3xy. This is your required algebraic expression. Now the next part is part E, subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. Okay, here x, y, w, they are variables, they are unknowns, and when we will solve algebraic equations, we are going to find the values of the variables involved. So subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. So first of all find positive square root of z. Positive square root of z, that is this positive square root of z. Now 4 times the positive square root of z. 4 times positive square root of z is 4 into positive square root of z. This is how you are going to solve this statement into algebra. You are going to convert the statement into algebraic expression. Now first of all, I obtained positive square root of z, and then I have taken 4 times of this. The next is thrice of x, that is 3 times x. So first of all, you need to find out the terms on which we have to perform specific operation. We need to subtract 4 times positive square root of z from thrice of x. So from thrice of x, subtract 4 times positive square root of z. Subtract 4 times positive square root of z from thrice of x. This was part E. Okay, let's solve part F. Part F is twice the variable p divided by the product of 5 and q. Okay. So try to understand the statement twice the variable p, that is 2 times p. So twice the variable p is 2 times p. This has to be divided by the product of 5 and q. This has to be divided by the product of 5 and q. Again, twice the variable p divided by product of 5 and q. So this is your required answer for question number 1 of exercise 4A of D1 7th edition. In my next lesson, I will upload the question number 2. Keep watching. Thank you so much.